Do you ever feel that people don't take you seriously? Do you want to make an impression and get the respect you deserve? It's easier than you think. With the right strategies, you can learn how to make anyone respect you instantly. In this video, we'll explore some useful tips and tricks on how to make anyone respect you instantly. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to build respect among your peers, colleagues, and even strangers in no time. So, let's get started. Number 7, don't over-apologize. One of the most common mistakes people make when trying to gain respect from others is over-apologizing. Over-apologizing can make you appear uncertain, weak, or indecisive, and can diminish your credibility in the eyes of others. When you apologize too often, people might think that you don't stand by your decisions or that you don't believe in yourself. This can hurt your confidence and hinder your ability to command respect. Instead, it's important to apologize only when it's necessary and to do so sincerely. Number 6, be assertive and confident. Another effective way to make anyone respect you instantly is by being assertive and confident. Confidence is a key ingredient for gaining respect from others, and it's something that can be developed with practice. When you speak with confidence and assertiveness, people are more likely to listen to you and take you seriously. This doesn't mean that you have to be aggressive or pushy, but it does mean that you should speak up for yourself, stand your ground, and communicate your thoughts and opinions in a clear and direct manner. Additionally, by maintaining eye contact, speaking in a calm and steady voice, and having good posture, you will project confidence and authority, making it easier for others to respect you. Number 5, control your emotions. In order to make anyone respect you instantly, it's crucial to control your emotions. Emotional outbursts or displays of anger or frustration can make you appear unprofessional, unstable, and unreliable, and can undermine your ability to command respect from others. Instead, by taking a step back and managing your emotions, you can come across as calm, collected, and confident. This will help you command respect and demonstrate that you are in control of the situation, even in the most challenging circumstances. When you're able to keep your emotions in check, you'll be able to communicate more effectively and make a positive impression on others. Number 4, speak your mind. Individuals who possess the courage to voice their thoughts and ideas are often held in high esteem. This displays your well-rounded knowledge and eagerness to impart new information to those around you. When you bring these ideas to the table, you are actually introducing a challenge to your team. Just be careful not to get too arrogant when speaking your ideas, as they would give the wrong impression to others. Number 3, helping others when they need it. Another powerful way to gain respect from others is to help them when they need it. When you show others that you care about their well-being and are willing to lend a hand, you will immediately become a more likable and respected person. People are drawn to those who are kind and compassionate, and they are more likely to respect you when they see that you are willing to put their needs ahead of your own. Whether it's helping a colleague with a project, supporting a friend during a difficult time, or simply lending an ear when someone needs to talk, showing that you are there for others can go a long way in earning their respect. So, next time someone needs help, don't hesitate to lend a hand. Not only will you be helping them, but you'll also be demonstrating that you are a kind and trustworthy person who others can rely on. Number 2, be a good listener. Another important aspect of gaining respect from others is being a good listener. People are more likely to respect you when they feel heard and understood. By actively listening to others, you show that you value their opinions and perspectives, and that you are interested in their thoughts and feelings. This fosters trust and respect, and helps you establish strong relationships with others. Being a good listener will not only help you gain respect, but it will also help you build strong relationships with others and become a more effective communicator. Number 1, respect yourself first. Before you can expect others to respect you, it's important to first respect yourself. This means having a strong sense of self-worth and self-confidence and valuing your own opinions and decisions. When you respect yourself, you project an aura of strength and assurance, which makes others more likely to respect you in return. When you feel good about yourself, others will pick up on this energy and will be more likely to respect you. So, before you try to make others respect you, make sure you are treating yourself with the dignity and respect you deserve. This will set the foundation for a positive and respectful relationship with others. Thanks for watching. For more views and updates on our YouTube channel, subscribe to our channel and stay tuned. Thank you.